So Mandy's still asleep this morning, but I'm headed down to go pick up our rental gear. Hopefully everything goes well and they give me the gear.
So I've got all the gear, and I just got to figure out a good way to carry it back to the apartment.
I'm gonna wear the BCDs back and I have the rest of the stuff inside my backpack. Can't look back too much, but I should be able to make it back. Okay, I got all my gear in my bag. Mandy's about to go to the spa, so I'm about to meet up with a friend to go do the dive. So we made it to the beach. We just got to go meet the captain and stuff, and get on the boat and get this done. Okay, so we just did about a 56-minute dive, setting everything up. Once we got down to where I had initially planned to do it, there's just a fair amount of like coral. It wasn't really healthy coral, but there's a lot of stuff we would have to move out of the way. I didn't want to damage anything, so we decided to just swim around a little bit, looking for a little better spot. And we found a fairly open sandy spot, not too far away, and we ended up using a fair amount of dead coral to make it all. I think it turned out pretty well, and we did minimal damage, if any at all, to the coral life down there. And our buddies are coming up right now over there. But we did it with one tank, about an hour dive, and obviously at the end there it got really silty and you couldn't see a whole lot just because of the dirt, but tomorrow it should all settle down and it should be pretty. Our max depth was 16 meters, which is going to be just perfect because that is 55 feet and 5 is Mandy's favorite number. So to amp up the cheese factor, I'll be proposing 55 feet under the sea.
We grabbed some new tanks and geared back up so that I could go work on my navigation because I really do not want to get lost tomorrow on the big day trying to find this.
just got up as the sun's starting to go down. It's an hour and a little bit dive, just trying to orient ourselves around here so that we can actually, or I can actually find the heart tomorrow, so that it's not just like a blind list dive and we miss it. So I have a pretty good idea about where everything is, but hopefully we find a way. Hopefully the silt sits down overnight, because right now it's still kind of bad. You can see that layer where above is fine and then below is bad. So it should be good by morning, but we'll see. So everything's set up for the morning. Mandy's picking up our laundry right now because he wants to start a relationship with dirty laundry. And I'm ordering her food, so we should have a nice big dinner tonight, get to sleep, and have a great day tomorrow.